Hi, my name is Alexandra. I am disabled and chronically ill, but nothing but positive vibes here. I don't work or go to school currently because of my conditions. I have Lyme disease, gastroparesis, seizures, and Tourette syndrome. But I figured I would take you through a day in my life because it might help you understand somebody in your life who is ill and maybe help you to comprehend what they are capable of and what they aren't capable of. Did I say that right? Let's go. The first order of business every day is to give as many belly rubs as possible to my emotional support dog, Winnie. Um, she is my positive ray of sunshine that keeps me going and my sidekick everywhere I go. So, I can't currently eat any solid food and just only a few liquids. So, this is my breakfast. And yes, I am watching a Disney food vlog, even though I can't eat because I miss Disney and food so much, and this puts a smile on my face, even though it makes me hungry. So I just got a few chores done, and now I need to rest. So I am back to watching YouTube and just sitting here inhaling dog hair, pollen, and nicotine. So I was taken in an ambulance to the hospital a few days ago because I had a grand mal seizure and scared the crap out of my husband and my parents. But now I may have to go back to the hospital for a totally unrelated thing, but it's potentially dangerous. And really, I would rather set the hospital on fire and escape to Disney World. I don't want to go. Still waiting to see if I need to go to the hospital, but in the meantime, the next important part of my day, paying all the medical bills. So, prior to my gastroparesis flare, and currently, I've been really struggling with my eating disorder. It's gotten worse over the past year. I just watched a movie called Feed, and it is about a girl who struggles with trauma and an eating disorder. And I highly recommend it if you're struggling right now. The ER has the best lighting. Well, to sum up my day, hospital, blood, tic attack. But now I'm home with my wonderful family, and oh my God, there was a dog in the ER. She was so pretty. Her name was Maisie. That always helps, but I'm coming home to the prettiest thing right over here. There's the prettiest girl in the whole wide world. Say thank you for coming along with my mom today.